With Solana coming to OpenSea sometime in April, people are wondering how to get Solana to use on OpenSea. Katika here asks how can she get Solana onto Metamask. Well, Katika, Metamask is an Ethereum based wallet, so actually Solana does not go onto it. Coinbase you probably can, but I'm not familiar with the Coinbase wallet, so what I recommend is to get a Solana wallet. The Solana wallet that I use is called Phantom, and you can get to it by going to phantom.app. It works in the same way as Metamask, so you can just download it and install it as a Chrome attachment. So you can see it here on my PC. It's right next to the Metamask one. It's a little ghosty type thing, and it gives you your wallet address and obviously the detail. Now you can actually buy Solana through the Phantom wallet, or you can buy it through an exchange and transfer it to it. Now the thing that's unknown at the moment though is will OpenSea allow the Phantom wallet? I assume it will do because it's one of the most popular Solana wallets, or is there going to be some other way that they are going to have a Solana wallet to interact? For example, when you connect to OpenSea, you connect with your Metamask normally, or your Ethereum based wallet, and you can see all your NFTs. Well, if you're going to have some NFTs on Solana and some on Ethereum, how's that going to work? So there's a couple of questions I've got, and we won't know until OpenSea come out and tell us what they're going to be doing with it. But at this stage, it doesn't hurt to go and set up your Phantom wallet. Just go to the address. It's a few steps to set it up. As always, handwrite your seed phrase down, do it twice, put one in a safe place, one in another safe place, just so you can access that wallet in case you forget the password. Obviously you need a password as well to help protect it. Anyway, I hope that helped. Go and grab that wallet and get set up and get some Solana across onto it so that you're ready for when OpenSea launches NFTs in Solana, which is going to be pretty awesome. I think it's going to be great. Solana is great for the environment with their carbon neutral sort of blockchain, is what I understand, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks. Anyway, hopefully that answers your question. Thanks.